Come test drive the 2013 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.